Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Infiniti Qx80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the Infiniti Qx80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The Qx80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.